Stop assuming that a crack-free surface means a crack-free component. Harish, a quality head at an oil and gas equipment company, learned this the worst way. A batch of forged valve bodies passed every inspection, dimensions, hardness, visual surface check. The components shipped were machined, assembled and pressure tested at his customer's facility. 3 failed the pressure test. Cut open, the failure traced to internal cracks. Well, below the surface, invisible to the eye. Present since the day they were forged. His vendor's response made it worse. Sir, we checked every piece visually. The surface was perfect. That was exactly the problem. They had only checked the surface. Hello, I am Rahul Agarwal, Managing Director at Prestek Forgings and Engineering Private Limited, and I help procurement teams source forgings without costly mistakes. A forging can carry defects you cannot see, internal cracks from improper forging temperature, inclusions from poor steel, laps sealed beneath a clean surface. Visual inspection catches none of these. For a decorative bracket, that risk may be acceptable. For a valve body under pressure, a railway component or a suspension knuckle, it is not. A hidden defect is in a safety critical part, surfaces in the field under load at the worst moment. This is what non-destructive testing (NDT) exists for. Methods that look inside a component without cutting it. So, how do you evaluate whether a vendor's NDT capability is genuine and which test does your component need? First, know the 3 tests that matter most for forgings. Magnetic particle inspection finds surface and near surface cracks in steel. The part is magnetized. Iron particles gather visibly at any crack. Fast, reliable, the standard for most safety critical forgings. Ultrasonic testing finds internal defects. Sound waves reflect back from any crack or inclusion inside. This is the test that would have caught Harish's valve bodies. Dye penetrate inspection finds fine surface cracks, especially on non-magnetic materials. Then ask your vendor 3 questions. One is NDT done in-house or outsourced, and who performs it? Results are only as good as the person interpreting them. Ask for operator certification levels. Qualified level 2 personnel are the minimum for evaluating results. 2. Show me your equipment calibration records. An uncalibrated machine reduces confident numbers, answers that mean nothing. 3. What is your return NDT procedure for my component class? Which test? What coverage? What acceptance criteria? What happens to a failed piece? If the answer is verbal, the process is informal, and informal processes disappear under production pressure. Harish now requires ultrasonic testing on every pressure bearing forging, which reports traceable to each batch. The cost per piece is small. The pressure test failures stopped entirely. For safety critical parts, what you cannot see is exactly what you must test for. In my next video, I will share why depending on a single forging vendor is a risk you can no longer afford. Thank you and see you in my next video.